So even in Bank Nifty, you saw right here they shorted and fell. Yeah, so for now, like if you see like here put writing happened, then call writers are also there. So both side writers are there. But in the morning, if you see huge call writing happen, and right before the fall, like huge call writing happened and market was taken down. Even this one and this one again here. So we don't follow the deep green. So please note that we only follow the light green and the light red. Market was taken down. Even this one Yeah, HAL MCX. Yeah, hello. Yes, I also don't know, like I don't trade stocks. We'll go to those. Okay, let's see. So what is like the current ATM is 5,000 only. And please make sure the stocks are not in ban period. So if you see here for HAL, so it's basically like we got the signal at 9:19, the big call writing. So we are on 1 minute chart. Yeah, so 9:19 the big call writers came. We don't follow the deep green, the call buying. So there was a little bit of put writings, but you see who is putting like the bigger bets. Again the call writing and it fell. Like finally here also some call writing and it fell. Okay, so I mean the overall picture is clear, like here call writing happened. What else? MCX I think I have it here. Oh, HAL also I already have it. Hindustan Aeronautics. So I'm closing this. Yeah. So the next one, as you said, like MCX. So talking about MCX, the ATM, let's say it's around 7,600. So let's change the ATM. 7,000. And please note that every analysis that we are majorly doing is based on the primary model, which is model 1, and that works on any TradingView account, like whether it's basic also it works there. So MCX, if you see here, that is like here some put writing happened. This is mostly put buying, which we don't follow, as I have told you that. Somewhat call writing and somewhat put writing, so very small sharks, but here was the big one, as you can see. And there it was like the big one, big sharks, and then the fall started. Like as you can see, compare, like these are bigger sharks, like big operators. Okay, and these are very small operators. So that's the one. And what else? RDC. Six. Guys, in Nifty we have a call writing, a good amount of call writing. Right now it happened 12:48. Let's see. So again, we should wait for the charts to bend. 26, 6. Yeah, so the ATM is 400, as you can see. Even like if you in the morning the ATM was 424. So let's say 420. So even if you look at with respect to that, so big call writing happened. See here starting 9:15 and then again here at 10 and 10:03. So we are on 3 minutes chart. 10 and 10:03, and after that, as you can see, like flat and then fall. and right below the fall, like if you see here right below, like, so you get to know that either temporarily or finally the fall is going to stop. So here the fall like stopped temporarily, and again there was call short. Again there was call short right again at this top. Again it started falling, and then again some put writers came in here. Also call writers also came in. Now it's overall like both are present. But yes, I mean, if you compare the fund flow, so you can very well see that these were like the big ones, the big operators, like they finally like took the market in their direction or took the stock in their direction. So yeah, I hope I mean I have been able to clarify. So if so, please don't forget to put a like at least. Even in Sensex also someone did some call writing there. And so another call writing. Uh, and this is live, like as you can see here, that is put writers came in and it got support and went up. So the amount of like we have the fund flow also, like we know that the amount involved was 60.7 cr. Now right now here the amount is 69.4, which is 70 cr of call writing. Only we are following the light trade, and 84 cr of call writing. So 84 plus 670, so more than 150. Okay, and if you even consider this is also 32 cr. Okay, so 180 cr of call writing happened right now. So, and I mean the charts are bending. I mean you see like right after that the charts are bending. So if even after this, like if someone comes and says like it doesn't work or everyone can do this, I don't know what else like I have to show them. So many people would come and say that this is nothing but OI. But please understand that OI comes at an interval of 3 minutes, and in the OI, like it starts from 9:18, not even before that. But we get the signals like prior to that. Okay, so if the big guys are active, otherwise like if we won't even get the signals. So we only like here, there were no signals. So so that means like our model is telling that with a high probability big guys are not active here. So similarly here as well, like the big institutions are active here. It's showing that what they're doing in options and how much fund they're placing, and so and like it's all before the move. Like even if you see it was falling here right bottom, and that was the last red candle and it went up. Okay, so even I showed you like the performance in the morning as well, and today is like expiry day, so obviously market will be volatile, but in that volatility also like it's tracking the big institutions like let's say the Jane Street types or the big hedge funds. So here if you see right here like the I mean uh, so the big guys shorted, and then finally like this was the big fall, and then again here mostly deep green. So some put writing happened, it tried to take support, but again call writers came in, took it down. Again here call writers came in and took it down. Here mostly call writers were present if you see here, and again somewhat put writing was happening, but these are very small sharks if you can see. So they took it up a little, but again the call writers came in and took it down. So here also call writing. We don't follow the call buying. Again here call writing and put writing both happened. So if this is happening side by side, I told you that it usually means short straddles are forming. Okay, so that I have told you like several times in the past This means short straddle are forming. Like if call writing and put writing, almost of the same amount is happening nearby in a very short period of time. Then short straddle are forming, and after that you saw like it was consolidating, okay, and somewhat like going up again. Call writers are coming in, and again, guys, like this thing you saw in right in front of you, like I mean, you're watching it live, the live reversal. So I mean, is there something like which can tell you such things? So if not, please do put a like, please. The indicator deserves some likes, at least for this move, at least for this reversal, guys. I mean, and that too on a on an expiry day. Like, okay, so today we have weekly expiry. So the thing is that those who are new here, you won't believe like until unless you see it with your open eyes. Like no one believes that we can have, with the data points we can track the big institutions in real time. Like in Sensex also we saw the call writing happen, and that was the right top. Like so also that's why like we pair up Sensex with Nifty sometimes to get more confidence, and that's the thing. And also like this is the primary model, like this works on any trading view platform, like any trading view account, even the free one. Yeah, Ronak, thanks for coming up. uh, yes guys, so I mean so many people are watching, so at least like you saw this reversal, so at least have, at least put some likes for this kind of reversal. Otherwise I don't know what to say. Anyways, the call writing increase as the price approach VWAP point to be noted. Okay, so as you all know, like I keep my charts very simple. So yes, we can attach the VWAP as well. সকালে 100 points for এটা catch করলাম quant flash থেকে. Yeah, the quant flash. So again, the quant flash model that we have recently like so what happened was we were having all these five our primary model, and which is also like now as you all can see, like we are only analyzing with respect to the primary model, and it's working like perfectly working, okay, and there is no doubt about it. Like we are live, and it's currently like if you can see the time 12:58. This is also the candle of 12:58, okay. So like there shouldn't be any doubt, we are totally real time live. Even like if you want to, like let's see, even if you have doubt, like let's go to Google and type time now IST. So it's 12:58, guys. So I mean there shouldn't be any doubt after that that we are not live or something. So we are live. And this you can also match the charts as well. So and it reversed. Like here you got a nice reversal. And you know, like on an expiry day, if you catch such reversals, you get a nice, like even as a buyer also, like you get a nice return. Yes, today I'm seeing some high volume. Anyways, that's good. Guys, like, see nicely how nicely it fell. I mean, isn't this the eighth wonder of the world? I mean, after this, like, if any scammers comes and says Bank Nifty, yes, Bank Nifty here. Bank Nifty also here they shorted. Like we were live here also shorts just before the reversal. The shorts, if you see here. So I mean, if like after this scammers are coming to stop what we are doing, so it's all up to you guys to believe the scammers or believe the live stream that we are doing and showing it to you live. Like it's all up to you. So again, I'm saying like many people are making many attempts to stop what we are doing, because I think they're it's totally hampering their business or whatever they're doing. So Again, guys, like, be careful. They would come and say that don't believe this guy's whatever is saying. I'm also totally agreeing with them. Don't believe what I am saying, that my indicator can catch reversals, my indicator can catch the track the big institution in real time. So even don't believe this. So just watch it live, and that's it. Like, there is no proof, like, other than the real time market hours. Okay, so people can sell many theories, many things, many courses, but again, you know that how much of it works in the real market hours. So, and in the real time market hours, I mean, something is tracking the reversals, like some code or something. So so this data is very, very important, like, for traders. I mean, there are some people who came, like, uh, who joined, I think, are following very recently, so they might not have any idea. So especially, like, for you all, this I'm conducting this live stream. We don't give any trial basis, like, on a one-to-one basis. So what we do is we come live and show it to you, so that, like, there is a track record of the indicator as well, how it performed on such an expiry day and so on. And that will also help us to go forward as well, because if we give trial access personally, so there won't be any track record. So okay, guys, so yes, quant flash is like quant flash, yeah. So quant flash, what it happens is, like, they are very, very hard to catch. Like, they are like super fast. Like, they come and they might, like, take in an instant position and bend the charts and go away. So they go in microseconds. So, like, it's very tough to catch them. So we released, so what happened was, as I was saying, like, our model, the primary model, is working absolutely fine, like, if you can see. But the thing is that even sometimes, very few times, if we still, like, are missing out some signals, or maybe, like, from right top, or maybe some confirmation, like here writing happened, okay, even after that, suppose market is going up a little. So those who don't have access to premium or any, guys, again, put writing happened here. Okay, so it's little, but not much, but still put writing happened. Yes, coming back to, again, you can see the live. Coming back to here, that is, like, what happens is that, again, by the rules, you can wait for the sell signal, or you can wait for the charts to bend. Okay, as I told you. But suppose you want to go into pro level, like, highly pro level or something, like, you want to increase your accuracy by, like, totally, like, you want to increase your accuracy by further, you want to increase. So there you, like, use the other models, and for that you need a premium trading view account. So that is, like, if you want to increase your accuracy to very, very high level. Okay, so like this one, if you see, we saw call writing happening, and also, like, in the quantum HFT, right at the top. Okay, so right at the top, the quantum, they shorted, and in quantum we get the signals very, very rarely, but it, like, when we get, it works. And right after that, the fall started. Okay, so here, if you see, mostly deep green. So they were buying calls, as we, so here also, like, if you see that move came in, like, they bought calls, they took it up, like, as I said, like, they work in a very, very small time frame. But again, if, like, suppose the big hedge funds or the big operators also shorted, along with them they have also shorted, move might go on. and if they are only present, like just they are call buying to taking it up slightly and then they might exit. Okay, like even this one as well, like that was the last red candle, if you see here, slightly taken up, like, and finally, like, they bought calls there and did some put trading again here as well. They bought some calls, like just following the quantum HFT model. Okay, they took it up. Okay, or might be like this much amount will also do for them. So anyways, I mean, that's the thing, like if you want to so here also it happened, and even in our model also. So here was the main one, like in all the three models simultaneously we got, like right at that bottom. So and after that you saw nice smooth up move. Okay, and after that, like here we got in the primary model at right at the top the sell signal, 180 cr of call writing, just we saw that, we were live, and like again we that signal did not come in the quantum HFT. So again it came in the model 2 as well. Okay, so that is the thing, like and again as I told you, right now there were put writing happening. So that was like it happened right in front of you, like uh, I mean they did put writing and they are bending the charts there. Like as I told you that, I mean इन लोग मतलब क्या कर रहे हैं कि मतलब इन लोग प्रॉफिट को पूरा मैक्सिमाइज कर रहे हैं, एकदम टॉप पे शॉट, अगर कॉल शॉट करना है इन लोग एकदम टॉप पे कॉल शॉट करते हैं, और एकदम बॉटम पे मतलब पुट राइट करते हैं, तो और उसके बाद ही मतलब ऑलमोस्ट एवरी टाइम द चार्ट बेंड्स फ्रॉम देयर। तो मतलब इसीलिए हम लोग इस इन लोग को पकड़ मतलब इफ वी कैन कैच देम वी आर एबल टू कैच रिवर्सल्स। ओके, सो दैट इज द प्रूफ दैट दीज आर द बिग इंस्टीट्यूशंस, दीज आर द बिग गाइज। ओके, कोई आके तो कुछ भी बना लेगा और बोलेगा कि हाँ भाई ये देखो ये बड़ा प्लेयर है, ये है वो है, लेकिन काम कर रहा है कि नहीं वो इम्पोर्टेंट है, राइट? So again, like guys, we are live and we saw a nice smooth reversal here, and we also got that I mean temporarily the down move will also stop here. We got that signal also. Okay, so this might be a very small reversal or it might continue, but again here some call writing is also happening, so that means short straddles are forming. But anyways, like even for the fall also you got the signal that there is a sign that this fall can stop temporarily here. Okay, now you would also say here also like they did put writing, but as I already said, like आपको ये देखना चाहिए who is putting a bigger bet. Like here the put writing amount is 12 cr and this is 11 cr. So let's say that 24 cr. But these call writers they have put like 180 cr. So whom will you follow? Okay, that's why we have the fund flow as well. Okay. And also we got a nice confirmation from like a double confirmation from Sensex as well. Like right at the top there also they shorted. Okay. So pairing up Sensex with Nifty, Bank Nifty with Nifty, so also gives you a double confirmation. Prabir Kumar Swan, so you retracted your message. Bank Nifty, yes, I showed Bank Nifty Quant Flash on active expiry. Yes, on expiry days the quantum flash algorithm, so they might be active more on, especially on expiry days. Yeah, Skados, thanks. Got 3k profits with 6k capital in 10 minutes. So wow. So that's what I said. Like on expiry days, what happens is that with such reversals, you can easily get a good return because the premiums are low, and once you can catch the direction, so you get a, I mean, nice return. Like easily the premium doubles or something, like on expiry days, especially during like the half an hour, like only 2 hours, almost like slightly more than 2 hours are left. So anyways, your profit is your profit. So again, all credit goes to you. I won't be taking any credit, but thanks for notifying. Trade close. Thank you. Yeah. So again, please do put a like if you, I mean, if you saw like this reversal at least, and then again the fall stopped right there where they did put writing. Automation problem ta কেমন solution চলছে? it's really getting tough. Like, I mean, what is happening is that uh, I'm running all those simulations in my brain and now thinking that what are the possible scenarios if I do this, where it can get stuck, where it can, uh, I mean, like it can, it won't work. So all these cases, like, see, even the HFT also making this took me 2 years. But once it was made, it was perfect. Like, we did not change the code after that. Yes, we need some more alerts. We need this and that with this. Like, we can add those things, like whatever extra things we need. But tracking the big institutions with the fund flow, whatever code we like uh, launched. So after that, we did not change the code. We are changing what we are upgrading so that like you can easily track the big institutions like with alerts. We are also going for the scanner, but it uses very heavy computation. So that's why we are having a little bit problem there. And also like the other solutions that we talked about in other live streams. Uh, and also like if someone needs only to see the light red and the light green, so for them also what we can do. So like those updates are coming, but again, it takes time. Like for a perfect thing, like if you want to make something like perfect, so it takes time. Like, and also like since I also have some other works as well after market hours, so I'm truly not getting any like I have to devote some 1 or 2 weeks totally into this so that like I come up with some solution, or maybe 1 month like totally doing nothing else. And like after that people come and say that saste mein de do ye wo. So you don't understand the ha- hard work behind it. So, and also there is a running cost to it as well. So आई मीन ट्रैकिंग अगर सब लोग कर पाते तो मतलब ये तो हो ही जाता ना. So first time ever in the history of the stock market, some code is able to track the big institutions in real time with proper fund flow, like how much money they are putting, and you are able to track reversals with the help of that. So Sensex, yes. So if that was very easily possible, then I mean, why we are the first one to make such an indicator? Then you would have seen that at many places. How to capture at exact moment. How to capture at exact moment? Like just rewind the live stream and just check when this happened. I clearly told you that like big put riders are, sorry, big call writers are like here shorting. I also told you the fund flow, and then after, right after that, the chart started bending. Just rewind the live stream. Right here also, when this candle formed and it happened, this put writing, I right there I told you that put writing is happening. So there's a chance that it's going up. देखिए मतलब you, as I told you that you have to wait for the charts to bend. Whenever you see big call writing or big put writing, you have to wait for the charts to bend. That's it. It's very simple. And also you can wait for the sell signal on the smart trend as well. Please sir, show yesterday Nifty chart. Yesterday Nifty chart I showed like, I please follow the X post. Like now if I go and show like, yes, let's wait for the end of the day or in between I'll show. I don't have any problem, I'll show it. I also posted on X as well. Like now what happens is I have to change the ATM. Yesterday the ATM was different, so I have to change it. So why don't you follow the X post? Like Oh, not even the X post. I posted all the ones like. Okay, yes, I made a dedicated video about yesterday. So why aren't you following that? So here, this one I posted. Just go and check out this video. Like I'm posting the link. So just go and check out this video, Mr. Prabir. So I showed like the performance in Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty. I think Sensex. I don't remember, but I showed. And what else? Like yes, and also like you can refer to the post as well. Like so, even like after that, the video was made after the market hours. Now you will say that after market hours, what is the point and everything. So then you should come to the X post here and refer to this Bank Nifty post. Okay, it was posted at 1:03 p.m. and after that, what happened? You can very well check out. Even the Fin Nifty one, the big shorts, and after that, what happened? You can go and check out when it was posted and after that, what happened. Okay, so anyways, coming back to today, uh, yes, I mean, good things takes time. Like if I make something like very fast, that might not last. Like what will happen is that the scammers are like going around like with me that one day one mistake I made, they will point out that why that mistake was done. Okay, so I saw that like there are like 100 posts, out of which I think one analysis did not, like thousands of posts, not even 100, thousands of posts are on X. One day one analysis did not work out. I think that too end of the day. Anyways, that was pointed out by a scammer. Like he forgot all the rest. Okay, so I mean in stock market he thinks that one can go 100% correct. It's a very easy game. So that's why like if the probability is not very high, so people will make fun and nothing else. So it so that's why like I have to be very careful while finally automating this thing. So after watching the derivatives indicator live tracking, OI is like police coming after the scene after the crime. This is revelation and feels like a cheat code for the market. Yes, yes, yes. Even in the last day, someone said having HFT Algo Scanner is like having answer before the exam. So yes, thanks for all the such comments. Yes, it's like in India, it's like police coming after what happened. So OI comes every 3 minutes, so you don't, and even if you get the OI also, you won't be able to understand whether they did call writing or out of that OI how much are the big guys, okay, big institutions, and how much is their fund flow. So you won't be able to get that right. Yeah. So all these gains popularity, how you are going to tackle the big institutions following you and changing their trading style. This is huge compliment, by the way. Yes, Kadosh, so thanks for that, but as I have already told you that like the main advantage that we have is, like, for example, suppose if someone is following RSI, okay, so uh, Big Rock, I have already answered your queries, so there is no point in going into that direction. I won't be tolerating any such things today. So let's track the market hours. You have seen, like, in live, it, like, this reversal, it was caught. Then after that, you have to decide whether you want such data or not. Okay, I'm just selling this indicator. I'm selling big institutional data in real time. Whether that works or not, I'm showing you live. After that, there shouldn't be any question. Okay, what I do in my personal life, I mean, I won't be sharing it on the public forum. Okay, I have made it very clear. My personal life should be my personal life. Yes, the one that we were talking about. And if you don't believe, just I mean, just go rewind the live stream and check out when this was happening. Uh, and also, moreover, the prop decks, they don't have any verified thing. They have sheets. एंड आज तक किसी का भला नहीं हुआ. ये जो जितने लोग भी शेयर करते हैं, कुछ भी करते हैं, इससे आज तक किसी का भला हुआ है कि, आप ये चीज मुझे मुझे बताओ कि किसी ने वेरीफाइड पीएनएल डाल दिया और किसी का भला हो गया. भला तो इसी में होगा ना कि यही, मतलब, यू आर ट्रैकिंग द बिग इंस्टीट्यूशंस इन रियल टाइम एंड मार्केट इज रिवर्सिंग राइट फ्रॉम द टॉप. ट्रस्ट मीन्स व्हाट? ट्रस्ट तो यही बनेगा कि डेटा सही है कि नहीं, बिग इंस्टीट्यूशंस का डेटा सही है कि नहीं. यही, मतलब, आप देख रहे हो लाइव, हाँ एकदम सही है कि इन लोग इधर ही शॉर्ट किया और मार्केट रिवर्स कर गया. सो दैट इज द ट्रस्ट, राइट? सो दैट, आई मीन, आप कहीं से डेटा अगर लेते हो, क्यों लेते हो? कि वो डेटा मुझे चाहिए. क्यों चाहिए? कि ये डेटा काम कर रहा है, लाइव मार्केट में ये डेटा काम कर रहा है कि आई कैन ट्रैक द बिग इंस्टीट्यूशन, जो बहुत सारे एनालिसिस, मतलब जिसके पास बहुत पावर है चार्ट बेंड करने के लिए, राइट? सो आई मीन, उसका डेटा अगर मुझे मिल रहा है, तो इट्स आफ्टर दैट, लाइक, मुझे कोई कुछ भी कहे तो मेरा, मतलब, कैसे फर्क पड़ता है? हाउ डज इट मैटर? Yes, okay, big dog. Enough is enough. As I said, like, I won't be tolerating. So, आप 2 दिन से यही एक बके जा रहे हो, मतलब कोई रीजन नहीं है, लॉजिक नहीं है. कोई आके 10 करोड़ लेके शॉर्ट कर देगा, दो, जस्ट शॉर्ट 2 to 3 rupees premium and earn profit. What is the meaning? Like, where is the proof that they have followed my indicator? Yes, yes, yes. I mean, they will come. Like, many people, as I already told you, that many people, there will be many people who will try to stop me, whatever I am doing. So be careful. Yes, knowledge hub, right? You are. So if someone doesn't believe that, okay, आप मत आओ, मतलब, why are you here? That is the right thing. Like, मैंने, I have clarified myself. Like, it's not like आप, मैंने बोला था शेयर करूंगा, आपने शेयर नहीं किया. I have clarified myself several times that in the past I did it, and the last time I also did it, I said that after that I won't be sharing. So because personal life भी तो कुछ है ना, मतलब, it's not right to openly publicly आप बैंक अकाउंट दिखा दो publicly. It's not right. Anyways, talking about the other queries or questions. So yes, as I was saying, like Skadush said, like the main point is that if some big guys are following us, okay, so many the same again guys, like right here you see some put trading. These are small sharks, but see again some put trading happened right here, and the next candle is green. Okay, so what is happening is like try to understand the thing. Very first thing is that we are at an advantage. Like for example, suppose you are following RSI. Okay, so suppose you are following, let's say, RSI, and RSI is in overbought region, and you are trying to short the market. Now suppose a big operator knows that you are following RSI. Okay, so then many times you would also have seen that even after that RSI goes, like RSI is in overbought region, but still the market is going up. Okay, so there what happens is that it's not like it's in overbought, but it doesn't mean that the big institutions have taken any position. But here the big institutions have already taken position. Okay, and so that's why if the charts do not follow, they will also be at a loss. Okay, so we are getting the signal after they have taken position, right? So that is the advantage. Okay, so that is the advantage we have. That is, matlab we after they have taken positions or huge position, we are able to get that data. Okay, and then like you know what I mean, you have to do with that data. But the main point is that if the charts do not bend after they have taken some like this huge position, they will be at a loss. Okay, now you have to think that whether like again market is falling here. So these are like very small sharks, as I have already said. Further put writers are coming in, let's see. So like talking about the big sharks, so this fall only put buying happened, but yeah, no call writing happened. So anyways, just before this fall this put buying happened. So the big ones means like this one, like this one, then this one. Okay, this one. Even this put trading was also a good amount. Okay, in the quantum, let it first print and then we'll see. Yeah. So even in the quantum HFT also, like there is a signal of put writing. But in the others we don't have that. In model 2 also we are getting. But let's see. So again, as I said, like don't jump into the conclusion like put writing happened and you just right away jumped in. Like wait for the charts to bend. Okay. I have said this several times. Like the big institutions, they can handle their positions very well. Like last day we saw in Sensex expiry, they I mean right at the end, Sensex went to like Sensex jumped up 100 big put trading. Sensex jumped up to like right at the end 100 points, like 82 400 it went from 82 300 to uh let those 80 those put writers end into profit. So first it went against them, then it finally pumped up. So it might happen that with slight delay, it like you are getting slight delay means like 1 2 3 or 5 candles. So just wait, like you will be able to see the charts reversing. So it's better to enter there. So here also a good amount of put writing happened. This is our primary model. Okay, so let's see. So again, put buying happened, call writing also happened, and it's falling. So in Sensex, we have like big amount of call writing happened. So wait for like this thing to get over. Like this is a confusion stage. Like put writers are coming in, and in Sensex also put writers are coming in. So wait for it. So again, put writers have come in. Like this amount is a good amount. This is a, I mean, totally a very good amount. Like 165 CR. 165 CR of put writing is a very, very good. Wait for the charts to bend. Again, like that's the rule. So don't go against the rules. You can see the effect like starting from here that they did put writing and took that big red candle like to a flat closing. But again, and we don't follow all the buy and the sell signals on the smart trend. So be careful. Those who are new here, you would say that we are buying, selling. No. So all the buy sell signals we don't follow. So suppose huge call writing happen after that the sell signal is coming, you can go with that. But again, no recommendation or anything. So it's all based on algorithms and it's like an algorithmic trading thing where like you get the signal with the help of the algos and then you can do whatever you wish. We should wait for some confirmation. So again, the one that is putting the bigger fund is the put writers here. So that's how you have to understand like no, the charts are going down. Like that's why we also have this put buying. So sometimes people say that like why do you then keep the put buying and the call buying? So that's the reason. Like now it might make sense that they bought puts and wrote calls again, like taking it further down. So both here, both big institutions are there. So the bears and the bulls. So who will dominate? You also don't know. I also don't know. So that's why we have to wait for the charts to bend. So here we saw put writing happening. So the charts did not bend on their side. So it's no problem. Like we will wait. Like so according to our rules, like here we did not get any trading signal. So far the charts are not bending. We won't be going with them. So that's the rule. So And also we have our AI money flow as well. So let's look at our AI money flow score. AI money flow score is a slightly negative, but anyways, again, as I already told you, like we should wait for the charts to bend. If it's not bending, it's not bending. Why we'll have to like jump into that? In Sensex also, they have done some put writing. Let's see. So the thing is that like a little bit of following the rules and following the indicator, like that's it, like, and you are good to go. Like logically, as per the live, it's working with highest accuracy compared to other traditional indicators. You can make ton of money if you keep it with yourself. So why are you selling this indicator? I have answered this several times. So the thing is that suppose I saw here huge call writing is happening. I saw here the charts are bending. Okay. So I cannot like sell my house, sell my everything and put everything here, right? And just double my money today and double my net worth today and leave everything like okay. So take retirement. So don't think like trading is not like that. Yes, if you have 50,000, you can take the chance that even if market doesn't follow, let's say you can earn it easily in the next month. But you cannot put 1 CR. If you there is it's a probabilistic setup, right? If market doesn't follow and you lose even half of it, then you cannot recover it in the next month or next 2 months, right? So that's why there is something called risk management. And that's why like you have to understand that even with a 1 CR capital, if you're following tight risk management thing, you can make 1%, 2%, and after that there are taxes and everything. So after that, how like you would be making, let's say with a good amount of capital, you would be again they did put buying here. Okay, also we should change our ATM. So let's put it 24,900 or let's keep one of them as 25,000 and let's change the other to 24,900. Yeah, so I think on an expiry day they are buying puts or something. So anyways, until unless the chart bends, we won't be going. So as per the rules. So yes, coming back to the thing, that is there is a limitation. Okay, you cannot make us like with some, let's say with a good amount of capital, you cannot make more than 1 or 2% a month. Okay, so because you have to follow risk management, you cannot put all into one basket, and so that's limited. Okay, so that thing is limited. Trading profit is always limited. But think about those who made companies. Okay, what like some big companies, big startups, how much they are worth now. Okay, so might be some are like worth 1,000 CR, 500 CR, 100 CR. Okay, so good startups. And we also have the potential because we are making tools that you don't see elsewhere, and something which you are like getting for the you are seeing for the first time ever in the history of the stock market, that something can track reversals. Okay, from almost top or almost bottom. So again, this has the potential to go big. And so that's why, like, I want to go big. I want to make it as a very big startup, and that's one of my dream, and that's why I'm selling it. And not only selling it, we are constantly developing. Like, if you saw, like, we हाँ बताता हूँ. So the thing is that we are constantly developing. Like, we recently launched last week the other four models to track the big institutions in real time. So we are upgrading our product. We are trying our best, like, to get the best accuracy in the market, and so that's what our goal is. That's what our aim is. So trading is secondary, making a business is primary, because even, like, you have to think about the future. It's falling, like, so I think like, so since it's falling, like, there's no point, like, and the scores are also dropping. So anyways, again, we will only, like, follow when the chart bends, otherwise no. Because what they did was put buying, and then they are taking it down. So yes, so the thing is that, like, you don't know what could happen to you tomorrow. So you are trading, so the skill is only limited to you. Okay, so but if you can make a business, a good startup, so even, like, so if something happens to you, still, like, other people can, or your family members could be safe with that. So business, making a business is very, very important. First, I mean, any trader also, like, always you will see that every big trader also, they mention that have some other source of fund. So trading income is, like, fine, but uh, like, making a business and growing a business or growing a startup is more important. Okay, so, like, if you go to all these currently, whatever you see, these platforms, whichever platform, the biggest option in, or whatever they call themselves, so whatever platforms, like, they have huge number of users, but what do they have? They have the same tools the others are having, just in a nice shiny bottle they have kept in, and it's the same tools, no innovation, zero innovation. Yes, somewhat, like, uh, इसको ऐसे प्लॉट कर दो, उसको ऐसे प्लॉट कर दो, दिखने में अच्छा रहेगा, so those things, but ultimately inside the core innovation, something new is lacking, totally lacking in the Indian market. So that's what I have seen, like, it's totally lacking in the Indian market, and so we should work on it. And we are doing something, like, innovative, and that's why we will have to, like, that's why I felt the need, like, we have to make it a big startup in the Indian financial market, and maybe for outside markets as well. So anyways, one time, yellow and blue line, blue lines and yellow lines are the ones, like, blue lines are the ones, like, if you go to, like, how I draw them is basically, sometimes I go to 15 minutes chart, or 1 minute, sorry, 1 day chart, or 15 minutes chart, and I look for where the chart got mostly resistance. Okay, or where it took support earlier. So suppose 2 to 3 times or more than that, it's taking support at some particular level, I draw those blue lines. Okay, and for the yellow lines, I have drawn it with the help of the HFT. So whenever I saw, I saw, like, huge call writing or put writing is happening, I made those blue lines, sorry, I made those yellow lines. Okay, Uh, will it work in date time frame? Yes, it will, but it's not recommended, because suppose on shorter time frame you can very well pinpoint the reversal, right? But if you suppose go into daily time frame, so let's go to 1 day. So now where those shorts happen, where those put trading happen, you don't have any idea, right? But at least you get the idea, more call writing happened. Yes. Even yesterday also, if you see, we don't follow the deep red or the deep green. If you follow, if you remove that, like you see mostly call writing happened. Even the last day, even the last to last day as well. Okay, so put writing is very limited yesterday, even today, even the day before yesterday also. So mostly like call writing happened if you see the amount. Okay, so that is the thing, that is how it can help you, like to understand that throughout the day what happened from the big institutional positions. Other than that, if you're trading intraday, so go in lower time frame like 3 minutes or 1 minute, or let's say why do I go in 1 minute? Because I scalp. Okay, so that's why I go for 1 minute, but again, it's all up to you. Even we were like live the last yesterday, I did not get time to come live. Okay, so so now going forward, I might not get time every day. Uh, so I did many live streams to show the performance. So again, here they did put buying. Okay, so right after now, see, after right after they are doing put buying, so market is falling. So, but since we don't follow the put buying, I am not going into it. If it works for you, it works for you. Okay, so there is no question. Like, or it might happen that why I don't specifically follow is that like they might be also hedging their positions with this put buying. So or they might be closing, okay, because they are like their SL is getting hit and they are closing, okay. So that is the thing, like both can happen, and that's why I don't go. But again, if it is working for you, you think that it's a good to go, you can go. So that's why we have kept all the positions: put buying, call buying, put writing, and call writing. So the next best support is at 24,850. Yes, like the day before yesterday also, like I was live and we saw like huge call writing happened. Yesterday's up move was not making any sense. And then after that, like it fell. Right from the top, the big institution shorted and it fell. And also, like suppose you sometimes see that like these type of put buyings, market is falling. So you can also go with the money flow. That's why we have the AI money flow. It's constantly falling. The scores are constantly falling, and so you can ride with that with the help of the smart trend as well. So, and just keep a view of the HFT Algo Scanner that yes, put trading is happening, but market is now following like the put buyers. Okay, so and the AI money flow is going into negative, and so market is going down. So like we have majorly three indicators, okay, and with that it's a complete setup. So like the smart trend, the HFT, and the AI money flow. So sometimes like when we see that the charts are not bending with respect to the HFT, so we look at the AI money flow, and there you can like combine the AI money flow with the smart trend, and you can simply ride again. Okay, and just keep a viewpoint with the uh, HFT, and that's it. Like even like if you we just went to the 1 day chart. So if you go to the 1 day chart, we can see like put writing like now you can see the put writing, but look at overall today itself, the put writing amount is 912 cr, while the call writing is 1473 cr. Okay, so you can very well understand that who is dominating today, but so that might be the reason. Even yesterday also, like put writing was negligible overall, the put writing. So what it does is when you go to the 1 day time frame, the outputs are the same. It basically cumulative data it outputs. Okay, so the output is basically the almost I mean overall the output is the same. It's just that in cumulative order it's giving. So yesterday, if you see, the call writing happened for 1356 cr, while the put writing was just for 171 cr. So you can understand the difference. So maybe they are dominating today. So anyways, so in such kind of scenarios, we have the AI money flow as well. So to protect us, and with this three setup, like with these three indicators, it's a complete setup. You don't have to follow any other indicator or any other thing. Yes, if you want to follow, it's fine. And we have these levels. That's it. So as I mostly follow the HFT and scalp, so for me it's a no trading zone for okay, because the charts are not bending. And as I told you, like here also I told you that whenever this call writing happened in the live stream, I told you that look at if the charts are bending or not. So the charts were bending in their direction. But here right away, like it did not bend. Like they did put buying and took it down further. But here if you see that there was no call buying, or like it was a clear signal of call writing and it went down. So let's wait. Like still there is 1 hour 30 minutes left. And this is with respect to the 900. So let's bring the 900 above. And moreover, like it gave a lot of reversals today. Like finally, this is the one where it's not bending. Like look at the fall from right at the top, then this one, again this one, again while we were live, this one. Now the charts are bending. The charts have started bending. Yes, sure. Suggestions are always welcome. Like, I think 850 is the next level. Why your tool not working now? So there are some rules. Did you hear that? First write down the rules and then we will talk about why it's not working now. Yes, there it's a probabilistic setup. Like sometimes, as I said, like see out of 10 times if it is not working one time, so you should understand yes, that's a good one. Like let's see. Let's count the number of times today, just today. Once the reversal. Okay, twice, thrice, okay, fourth time, fifth time the big reversal again there, okay, again here also, and then let's say fifth time, and then this is the sixth time. So out of six times, if it is not working one time, and also like it's not working means there are rules like wait for the charts to bend, okay. So if it is not bending, yes, it's not bending, so it's nothing affecting you. yes, it happens that like, since what happens is that like the big institutions, they are not trading, like their algos are trading. So that's why like their algos can shoot anything, like and also like the HFT is designed to catch reversals. So that's why like in a one direction market move, what happens is that it tries to catch reversals, but since the reversals don't come, so that's why I say like then follow the HFT, then follow the AI money flow. Okay, until unless it's bending. नो नो, सी, आप कुछ भी बना लो, मतलब उसका तो एक लिमिटेशन रहेगा, मतलब आप आके मतलब कुछ भी बोल सकते हो। आप ये समझ लो कि मतलब पहले आप बनाओ, फिर आपको समझ में आएगा कि कोई एक डेटा पॉइंट मतलब एवरी टाइम नहीं काम करेगा, मतलब उसका एक लिमिटेशन होता है। ठीक है, तो उस लिमिटेशंस के लिए हम लोग रूल्स बनाए हैं। ठीक है, आप लिमिट ऑर्डर ले लो, कुछ भी ऑर्डर ले लो, मतलब देर इज सम लिमिटेशन एवरी ऑर्डर, एवरीथिंग। इसीलिए तो रूल्स बनाया ना, मतलब कि रूल्स बोल रहा है कि चार्ट्स अगर बेंड नहीं हो रहा है तो हम लोग नहीं जाएंगे उसमें। मार्केट गिर रहा है, एआई मनी फ्लो भी नेगेटिव में है, तो यू कैन ऑल्सो शॉर्ट, देर इज नो नथिंग लाइक, यू कैन ऑल्सो कंबाइन दीज टू इट सेल्फ। बट मैं मोस्टली HFT को ही फॉलो करता हूँ, तो इसीलिए मेरा जो है कि नो ट्रेडिंग जोन है। और आप अगर इधर बता रहे हो, तो इधर जो हुआ कि इधर आप चार्ट्स बेंड हो रहा था, तो अगर आप इधर भी शॉर्ट कर लेते तो 2-3 पॉइंट में निकल जाते, मतलब इफ यू आर ट्रेलिंग योर प्रॉफिट्स। मतलब लेट मी जस्ट शो यू, आप बोलोगे कि इधर, जैसे इधर हम लोग ने बेंड देखा था, राइट? हियर पुट राइटिंग हैपेंड, and suppose here I shouted that the charts are bending, right? Even here also, like after that also, even after this candle also, 1354, see the premium of 900. So this is the premium of 24,900 p, right? So just look at it, 1354 कहाँ था ये, 50 ऑलमोस्ट, ठीक है? 50 से कहाँ तक गिर गया, 41, ठीक है? तो 10 पॉइंट्स का इधर ही, मतलब इट जस्ट, आपको दिख रहा है कि ये बहुत ही छोटा एक मूव था, लेकिन प्रीमियम अच्छा खासा गिरा था। तो यही है कि मतलब अब आप अगर प्रॉफिट्स, मतलब आई सेड दिस इवन इन द लास्ट 2 live streams also, that trailing profits is a must. Somesh ji, any comment? Any further comment? Did I ever say my tool will work 100% of the time? Then why will I make any rules? First, try to understand that. And I'm live. I just made the live commentary that here charts are not bending, we won't go. Here, yes, the charts were bending. Premium decayed. Okay, so though the move looks small, the premium decayed for 24,900. I don't know about 24,800, just go and check out. But yeah, I took position in 24,900 and the charts bent. So again, like if it is coming down again, so like it either you close or your trailing profits gets hit. So you close in profit and again the charts are reversing. So again let us wait for the charts to reverse and that's it. If it is not reversing, so as per me, like what my trading style says, but also I have said this to many other members as well, like you can even combine the AI money flow in a falling or in an uptrend market. You can combine the AI money flow with the HFT, with the smart trend, and just keep a caution like from the HFT side. Okay, so uh, yes, so the drawback of the HFT is basically that when market moves in one direction, there it fails. Mostly it fails, uh, like if the market is like in a superb one trend direction. So why? Because the HFT Algo Scanner has been designed to catch the reversals. Okay, so like what do I mean by that is basically when market is going up, so it will try to trace the big institutions who are shorting mostly, and when market is going down, it will try to track the big institutions who are taking long positions. Okay, and that's how it's able to catch reversals from almost top and bottom. And the drawback of it is like if the charts are not reversing according to those big institutional positions and market is moving one direction, so then only like the drawback we have, and for that we have the AI money flow. Okay, so that's why I say that with these three indicators, it's a complete setup. But again, if the charts are not bending, according to if you are just following the HFT, if the charts are not bending, you don't take any decision. So the rule says that we should wait for the charts to bend. So even it's not like I am recording this after the live market hours and then I am giving all these gyan after watching the market move. I told you right here when these put writing happened. That is, if the charts are not bending, it's a no go. Okay, so that's why there are rules. प्रवीण कुमार जी, आप देखिए कि कितना बार काम कर रहे हैं. अगर 6 में से 5 बार काम कर लिया सुबह से, मतलब 5 times it worked. Like I mean, till here it was like 100% accuracy. Okay, so आप निकल जाओ ना. फिर आपको क्या मतलब, अगर ट्रेडिंग सिग्नल नहीं मिल रहा है उसके बाद, तो आपको क्या फर्क पड़ता है? आप निकल जाओ. आपने तो जितना कमाना था कमा लिया. तो और फिर एक्सपायरी का भी दिन है, तो मार्केट मैनिपुलेशन हो सकता है एंड में. तो that is the thing. Like sir, I gave you a hint. One big institute fast calculating their position to, then they adjust IV for their suitable price movement, then they put limit orders and your algorithm catch limit orders only. I won't comment on that, but it's not like that. So लिमिट ऑर्डर्स तो मतलब फिर वो तो गलत सिग्नल मिल जाएगा, राइट? लेकिन फिर ये ऐसे काम मतलब हाउ इज इट वर्किंग सो नाइसली? So as I have said, like even in the past, if market is moving in one direction, then only like because it has been designed for reversal. इसका डिजाइन ही ऐसा है कि मतलब इसका कोड का डिजाइन ही बनाया गया है कि ये रिवर्सल इट विल ट्राई टू कैच रिवर्सल. सो व्हेन मार्केट इज फॉलिंग, mostly it will try to figure out if big institutions are making long positions there or not. So that's why like if it is showing in a falling market that big institutions are making long positions, we have to wait for the charts to bend. Okay, that's it as per the rules. And again, if you still want to ride the move, then you can just combine the AI money flow. You see the AI money flow is decreasing, so yes, fine, no problem, we will ride the move with the help of AI money flow and the smart trend, because the smart trend is also giving you trailing SL. आई थिंक 900 पे ले जाएगा अगर ये पुट राइडर स्टिल बैठा है तो 900 आई थिंक इट कैन गो. देखते हैं, मतलब ये स्मार्ट ट्रेंड का जो सेल जोन है ये इसको क्रॉस करना पड़ेगा. सो I mean, even like we have seen in the past also, the big institutions they also average out. तो इन लोग ये एवरेज आउट भी कर सकते हैं, तो बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. मतलब you never know like what power they hold and what they can do. So इन लोग एवरेज करके फिर ऊपर ले जाएंगे, फिर एकदम एंड में आपको जाके पता चले. I mean, like suppose look at the positions they have sold. Like they have sold at, like let's say when it was at 24,950, then 24,900, and then again at 850. Okay, somewhere in the middle also. So like if they are averaging out, okay, so then almost like let's say if market gives a closing above 900 or just at 900 also, so if they can take it above 900, so they will be profitable ultimately. So that's why like they can play several games, but we have to wait for the charts to bend, like to see that yes, their positions now are in action. Please add 24,900. I think I have added 24,900 here. Uh, this one is itself 24,900. The top one. Mr. Prabhuji, I am not getting your point exactly. Like this is not exactly limit orders, because limit orders में आपको मतलब you will get wrong signals. लिमिट ऑर्डर्स में ऐसा नहीं होता है कि इन लोग पुट राइट कर रहे हैं तो मार्केट ऊपर जा रहा है, तो दिस कैनॉट हैपन इन लिमिट ऑर्डर्स. आप लोग खाली 24,900 का पुट का प्राइस देखो, फिर आप लोगों को पता चलेगा कि इन लोग बैठा है कि नहीं, आर दे स्टिल देयर और नॉट. मिस्टर प्रवीण जी, टोटल बाई क्वांटिटी में तो सबका मतलब है, लेकिन उसमें बड़े प्लेयर्स का कैसे पता चलेगा? टोटल बाई सेल क्वांटिटी आप कर सकते हो, लेकिन उसमें मतलब ऐसे रिवर्सल नहीं मिलता है। मतलब आप जाके देख लो, ये जो रिवर्सल था, और टोटल बाई सेल क्वांटिटी तो हमेशा रहेगा। ये जो वैकेंट स्पेस है आप देख सकते हो कि इधर कोई सिग्नल नहीं मिला, तो वो तो हमेशा रहेगा टोटल बाई सेल क्वांटिटी। और वो तो सबका पोजीशन मिला के, मतलब बड़े प्लेयर्स का, जैसे कि एकदम टॉप से इधर रिवर्स कर गया, तो वैसे नहीं मिलेगा। I think many people have joined today new. So if you are there new, like we only follow the light green and the light red, and this is an indicator which can track reversals. And if you want to know more about, like let me post the link. Today, like there is a huge. So many people are watching today. So देखिए, मतलब आप अभी देखिए, अभी जो जिन लोग बोल रहे थे कि मतलब ये इन लोग क्या कर रहे हैं पुट राइट करके, क्यों मार्केट नीचे जा रहा है, तो जस्ट check the put premiums of 24,900. I just said it right here as well. Like, just check it. Like, इन लोगों के पास कितना पावर है आपको पता चलेगा। मतलब इन लोग को आप फॉलो करते रहो तो पता चलेगा कि इन लोग बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं। सो दैट्स वाई आई लाइक से दैट कर तो सकते हैं, लेकिन इन लोग एवरेज करके भी उठा लेगा। मतलब इसलिए हम लोग को वेट करना पड़ेगा कि मार्केट इन लोग के डायरेक्शन में मूव जब से करना शुरू कर, मतलब माय हिंदी इज वेरी बैड, लाइक आई मीन as soon as the market starts moving in that direction, so it's a good to go. So that's why I say that, like, wait for the charts to bend, don't be in a hurry. Yeah, so those who are new here, just follow this link to better understand or better read the how to read the HFT Algo Scanner, or what is it like. आप कुछ भी डेटा ले लो, मतलब टोटल बाई सेल, टोटल कुछ भी, मतलब, लेकिन उससे आपको मतलब ये लेना है कि मतलब कौन बड़ा प्लेयर है, कितना फंड, कितना पोजीशन उन लोग ले रहे हैं, और जो काम कर रहा है, मतलब 6 में से 5 बार ऑलरेडी सही हो गया। मतलब टिल हियर इट वाज लाइक इट वर्कड 100% ऑफ द टाइम्स, लाइक दे टुक पोजीशन एंड चार्ट्स बेंड। ओके, तो फिर मतलब एक बार अगर सिग्नल प्रॉपरली नहीं आ रहा है तो ठीक है, मतलब वेट करते हैं फिर। एंड इवन हियर ऑल्सो, मतलब इन लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि आई मीन 24,900 तक चला जाए, इन लोग प्रॉफिट में क्लोज। 24,900 shot up and now reversing. Yes. 24,900, like, again now it's also reversing, but the main thing is that, like, it went to 96 and again from there it went to 30. तो आप समझ सकते हो, मतलब इन लोग उधर ले जाके फिर से शॉर्ट किया और फिर ऊपर लेके गया. A yellow line, I had drawn it sometimes back when I saw like huge put writing or something or call writing happening, but I exactly don't remember now. What is this? After so many days, saw you on live due to my busy schedule, God level content. Yes, thanks. Thanks for coming live. देखते हैं एंड में क्या सिग्नल मिलता है. मतलब जो मैंने बोला कि आप जस्ट नोटिस करो 24,900. मतलब आपको लग रहा है ना ये बहुत ही एक छोटा मूव था. इन लोग को देखो मतलब प्राइस 96 97 पे ले जाके फिर इसको 30 पे लेके चला गया. ठीक है. और फिर भी मतलब इसको नीचे ले जा रहा है. इन लोग कोशिश मतलब जारी है इन लोगों का. So I mean don't neglect them, like don't laugh at them, like finally they only laugh. I mean the last laugh they only make. So yes, I mean just look at how nicely like they took it down. मतलब आप चलो मतलब हम लोग चलो मतलब जो लोग बोल रहे हैं काम नहीं किया या कुछ, चलो इन लोग शॉर्ट जब जब किया तो वो हम लोग प्रीमियम को ऐड कर लेते हैं और वी विल एवरेज इट आउट. ओके. सो 1330. ठीक है. तो चलो 1330 कहाँ था प्रीमियम. दिस इज 24,900p. So 1330 was here. Okay. फिर 1330 इधर था तो ऑलमोस्ट 22, ओके। और फिर इधर लेट्स से 1338, तो 1338 ऑलमोस्ट 30, तो 3022, और फिर इधर आके एक फिर से 1352, सो 1352, so 1351, 52 here, 1352, 61, okay, so 60 plus 30 plus 90, 110, 20, so 110 divided by 3, and again once here, 14, 17, 14, 17, 16, 17, हाँ इधर हुआ 51 पे। तो लगभग आप पकड़ के चलो कि, और इधर भी एक शॉट हुआ था 1358, सो 1358 ऑलमोस्ट हियर, ओके। सो इन लोगों का एवरेज फिर कहाँ है, इसके नीचे ही तो है 58, ओके, 50, 30, 20, और फिर इधर 60 पे। तो ये आप अगर एवरेज करते हो तो इसका एवरेज इसके नीचे ही आता है। और इन लोग मतलब सी हाउ नाइसली लाइक दे आर टेकिंग द प्रीमियम डाउन, सो आई मीन डोंट लाफ एट देम, लाइक I mean, finally they only make the last laugh. So, I mean, they are very powerful. So, इसीलिए मतलब हम लोग तो छोटे मोटे प्लेयर्स हैं, मतलब तो हम लोग को रूल्स फॉलो करना है बस। हम लोग को क्या रूल्स फॉलो करना है कि हम लोग चार्ट्स बेंड होने के लिए मतलब वी हैव टू वेट। दे कैन टेक इट टू जीरो ऑल्सो, राइट, एब्सोल्युटली राइट, लाइक इन लोगों को बस खाली 900 पे जाके एंड कराना है बस। अभी तक तो मतलब ऐसे भी इन लोग प्रॉफिट में ही है, मतलब इफ यू जस्ट काउंट एंड एवरेज इट आउट, लाइक दे प्रीमियम जहां जहां इन लोग ने शॉर्ट किया, इफ यू जस्ट एवरेज इट आउट, अभी इन लोग प्रॉफिट में ही है। तो इसीलिए मतलब इन लोग फाइनली कुछ भी कर लेगा, मतलब इन लोग के प्रॉफिट के लिए, लेकिन हम लोग तो इधर लॉस में ही मतलब निकल जाएंगे, वी वोंट बी एबल टू एवरेज आउट लाइक दे आर डूइंग। इन लोग आगे रिटेलर्स को भाषण देगा कि डोंट एवरेज आउट, ओके, सो बट इन लोग खुद एवरेज करते हैं, और एकदम प्रूफ आप लोग के मतलब राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू द प्रूफ इज देयर। तो मतलब बड़े बड़े न्यूज चैनल में आके जब आप देखोगे कि कोई बड़ा आके बोल रहा है कि एवरेज मत किया करो या कुछ, ये लोग खुद करते हैं। एंड सी हाउ नाइसली लाइक 24,900, मतलब मैंने अभी मतलब बार बार आप लोगों को बोला कि 24,900 का प्रीमियम देख लो पुट का, जस्ट रिवाइंड करके देख लो आप लोग कि बोला था कि नहीं या कुछ, मतलब एनीवेज द मेन पॉइंट इज दैट लाइक, तो मतलब फाइनली ये पुट राइटर्स भी मतलब काम कर गया, मतलब दे आल्सो फाइनली वोन। तो इसीलिए मैं बोलता हूँ कि वेट फॉर द चार्ट्स टू बेंड, ऐसे मतलब। और यह आप अगर चाहते हो तो एकदम मतलब आपको लग रहा है कि मुझे ये राइड मिस हो रहा है, तो यू जस्ट गो विद द मनी फ्लो एज वेल, एआई मनी फ्लो है, और आप स्मार्ट ट्रेंड के साथ इसको ट्रैक करते रहो। स्मार्ट ट्रेंड पे अगर ऐसे बाई सिग्नल आ गया तो इसका मतलब एसएल, जो ट्रेलिंग एसएल था वो खत्म हो गया, ठीक है। तो इसीलिए हम लोग मतलब 3 इंडिकेटर है बस, बहुत सिंपल है सेटअप, कुछ ऐसा हाई फाई कुछ नहीं है कि बहुत सारा रूल्स है। रूल्स भी बहुत सिंपल है कि अगर एक हेवी पोजीशन बन रहा है कॉल राइटिंग या पुट राइटिंग, तो वेट फॉर द चार्ट्स टू बेंड, दैट्स इट, या यू वेट फॉर द सेल सिग्नल ऑन द स्मार्ट ट्रेंड, कुछ भी मतलब आपको एक मतलब प्रॉपर सिग्नल मिलना चाहिए बस। Guys, now those who said like it did not work out, look at like they first shorted at 1330. Wherever the premium was, now it's almost there for 900. 1330, almost there. Like 1330 premium tha 21. तो अभी उधर ही है, मतलब 25 पे लेके आ गया, 23 22 पे तो लेके आ ही गया। तो अभी थोड़ा कॉल राइटिंग भी हो रहा है। Even the same thing happened at the end on this Sensex expiry day. Just go and check out. Even I wasn't believing that, like, वो तो फिर भी इन लोग के पास टाइम है, it's still 2:36 and so on. That was after 3 p.m. Okay, so on Sensex expiry day, so a market where like they did shorting at 82,400, and then market Sensex went to 82,300, वो प्रीमियम चला गया था 70 तक। फिर इन लोग ने फिर से शॉर्ट किया, एवरेज किया, और फिर वो 82,400 को जीरो पे ले मतलब ले जाके फिर एंड किया। सो आई मीन दैट 82,400 पुट एंड्स एंड फाइनली एंड्स एट जीरो, बट 82,400 कॉल वो शायद एट 8 रुपीज और समथिंग इट एंड्स, राइट। मतलब इतना पावर है इन लोगों के पास कि एकदम मतलब 3 PM के बाद भी इन लोग मतलब खुद मतलब जहां इन लोग पोजीशन बनाए वो प्रॉफिट में ही निकल जाएंगे। Let's change the ATM for Sensex. So 81,700. Or let's make it. सेंसेक्स में भी आप देख सकते हो एकदम एकदम बॉटम पे जाके ही मतलब the big put writing happened right at the bottom itself. आई थिंक इधर मतलब इन लोग ने इतना पुट राइटिंग किया शायद ये एक्सपायरी के वजह से। आई मीन दे नो दैट इफ दे स्लाइटली मूव द मार्केट इन देयर डायरेक्शन, प्रीमियम ऐसे ही गल जाएगा। हाँ, ये ट्रेडिंग व्यू का कभी कभी थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है। इधर एक कॉल राइटिंग हुआ और फिर इधर से बेंड होना स्टार्ट किया। देखते हैं फाइनली जाके क्या होता है। तो इसका मोस्टली मतलब होता है कि शॉर्ट स्ट्रैडल फॉर्म हो रहा है और कुछ नहीं। मतलब पुट राइटिंग भी है 34 CR का, और कॉल राइटिंग थोड़ा ज़्यादा था, 43 CR का था। और ये लेवल पे जाके बार बार मतलब इन लोग रेजिस्टेंस भी मिल रहा है, तो 917। सेंसेक्स में भी इधर कुछ शॉर्ट हुआ था जस्ट बिफोर द फॉल। तो अभी शायद इधर ही खत्म कर देगा, मतलब आई थिंक 900 पे ही खत्म करेगा, या देखते और कोई सरप्राइज आता है कि नहीं। ऑलवेज बी आई मीन एक्सपेक्ट द अनएक्सपेक्टेड। आप लोग जस्ट 24,900 का प्रीमियम देखते रहो, पुट का प्रीमियम बस। अगर वो मतलब बहुत इजीली मेल्ट हो रहा है तो उसका मतलब इन लोग है, और इन लोग प्रीमियम खा रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं। और ये क्या होता है कि मतलब इन अ नॉन एक्सपायरी डे व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट ये जो मतलब गिरा फिर इधर ही शायद स्टॉप हो सकता है या कुछ मतलब उस दिन मूव ना आए, तो ऐसे भी होता है। तो आज जैसे कि मतलब टुडे वी हैव एक्सपायरी, तो इन लोग अगर मूव नहीं ले आया तो इन लोग का पोजीशन लॉस में जाएगा, क्योंकि वी आर बेसिकली एनालाइजिंग टुडेज एक्सपायरी। एज यू कैन सी द एक्सपायरी डेट इज टुडे, तो ये पोजीशन तो करंट एक्सपायरी में है। तो अगर मूव नहीं आया तो इन लोग को लॉस में ही क्लोज करना पड़ेगा। Yes, now it's similar. Okay, great. So I hope like at the end it's all making sense. और मेरा हिंदी मतलब उतना अच्छा नहीं है, तो प्लीज डू पार्डन मी फॉर माय हिंदी, बट मेनी पीपल सेड मी लाइक हिंदी में भी ट्राई करो। तो there are many followers who don't understand English very well, so I'm trying my best. Today many have come, so I think like today, because I have done so many live streams like last week, except one day last Friday I did not get time. I did live streams every day. This week, yesterday I did not get time, but I did on Sensex expiry. I think Monday also I did, and we were live on the Sensex expiry day as well. तो आई थिंक इतना लाइव स्ट्रीम करने के बाद यूट्यूब का एल्गो ट्रिगर हुआ है, तो आई मीन they are referring to many people. So those who are new here, again, please follow the rules. I have given you the link. So let's spin it. Yeah. जी जी जी, थैंक यू। सो yes, I know. Guys, as I told you, let's just look at 24,900p का पुट साइड का प्रीमियम अभी 16 पे है। देखिए अब इसके बाद अगर ये 100 पे भी चला जाता है तो हम लोग का क्या है। सो ट्रेल योर प्रॉफिट्स, दैट्स व्हाट आई से, लाइक कुछ कहीं पे भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, बट वी हैव टू ट्रेल आवर प्रॉफिट्स, दैट्स इट। फाइनली एनालिसिस फॉलो हुआ, बड़े प्लेयर्स प्रॉफिट में ही है। लेट्स चेंज द स्ट्रैडल टू 2900। ब्रिजेश पटेल, प्लीज कम टू लाइव डेली आफ्टर 12 और 13। रोज टाइम नहीं मिलता है तो और जो मेंबर्स लोग ने मतलब दे आर टेकिंग membership, so it would be unfair to them as well. So yes, like I also, many members also said make members only live stream, so I also have to do that as well. But मतलब मैंने लाइव बहुत सारे लाइव करके दिखाया है, मतलब आप जाके देख लो वो सारे लाइव। आई मीन लाइव में तो कोई कुछ फेक नहीं कर सकते, कोई फ्रॉड भी नहीं कर सकते। लेटर ऑन स्क्रीनशॉट में कुछ भी हो सकता है वगैरह वगैरह। सो इसीलिए मैंने लाइव किया, बहुत सारे लाइव किया। सो आपको सारे लाइव इधर मिल जाएंगे। आपको चैनल पे जाना है और फिर इधर लाइव, तो इधर लाइव सेक्शन में जितने भी लाइव्स है तो वो तो यूट्यूब पे आप एडिट भी नहीं कर सकते, वो लाइव में जो हुआ वही है, आप जाके देख लो। और बाकी जो है कि वीडियोस आप आपको जो फॉलो करना है वो ये हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी सेटअप और ये हाउ टू कैच रिवर्सल्स यूजिंग द एचएफटी। और बाकी आप अगर स्कैल्पर्स हो तो गेम चेंजर, फिर ओपन चैलेंज और ये सारे थोड़ा ऑप्शन बायस पैराडाइज, ये सब आप थोड़ा बहुत देख सकते हो। बट सर फॉर 1 वीक आफ्टर दैट आई विल ऑल्सो बिकम मेंबर। सी इट्स नॉट अबाउट 1 वीक, फिर से कोई आ जाएगा आपके जैसा, फिर वो भी बोलेगा कि 1 वीक आ जाओ आप, तो ऐसे करके तो चलेगा ही। लेकिन देखिए जैसे कि मतलब मेन जो डेज है कि मैंने कल में मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला, लेकिन आई वाज लाइव ऑन सेंसेक्स एक्सपायरी। तो एक्सपायरी के दिन मतलब एवरीवन एक्सपेक्ट्स कि हाई वॉलेटाइल रहेगा मार्केट, और उसमें मतलब अगर परफॉर्म कर गया, उसमें अगर आप देख रहे हो कि नाइसली पंपिंग गाइस। अगर ये लाइन पे ब्रेकआउट हुआ तो फिर देख मतलब कुछ और भी ऊपर जा सकते हैं, लेकिन फाइनली लाइक guys, I mean just see 24,900 is at 12. When I told you to look at 24,900, so it was at 70. Now it's at like 11 to 12. So ठीक है, थोड़ा टाइम लिया लेकिन काम तो किया। और फिर बाकी आप देख लो कि एकदम मतलब दिस वन वाज राइट आफ्टर दैट द फॉल केम इन, राइट। एंड बाकी सब भी मतलब एकदम जो सुबह वाला था तो एकदम टॉप से मतलब एकदम right at the top they shot it and then fall came in here again. So बाकी सब एकदम इंस्टेंट था। सो ब्रिजेश जी मतलब क्या है कि मतलब हर दिन कोई ना कोई तो नया आएंगे, तो उन लोग भी चाहेंगे कि मैं लाइव आ जाऊं। तो यही है कि मतलब मैं मंथली लास्ट मंथली एक्सपायरी में भी लाइव था, लास्ट निफ्टी एक्सपायरी में भी लाइव था, ये निफ्टी एक्सपायरी में भी लाइव हूँ, लास्ट सेंसेक्स, I think last 2 to 3 Sensex, two I remember, 3 Sensex expiries also I was live. Third one I don't remember. Last two तो मैं live था, ये वाला मैं live था और पिछले वाला में भी live था। हाँ थर्ड लास्ट में भी live था। उसके बाद ही तो ये आपका मंथली एक्सपायरी हुआ, तो हाँ मैं लाइव था। तो हाईली वॉलेटाइल दिन में भी मतलब वी आर कमिंग लाइव एंड शोइंग यू द परफॉर्मेंस। और ऐसा नहीं कि ये वीक या अगले वीक, आप जस्ट पूरा अगले वीक देख लो, मतलब लास्ट वीक, फिर उसके अगले वीक, एवरी डे आई हैव पोस्टेड। ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब मैंने अगर मैं लाइव नहीं आया, तो जैसे कि कल मैंने लाइव नहीं आया तो मैं पूरा परफॉर्मेंस का वीडियो बना दिया था इधर। तो आप जाके देख लो, मतलब ये वाला वीडियो पूरा, मतलब निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी फुल परफॉर्मेंस मैंने दिखाया, कहाँ कैसे काम किया। फिर लास्ट वीक खाली में फ्राइडे को नहीं था, तो फ्राइडे को आरबीआई मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी था, तो आरबीआई मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी के पहले ही मैंने इधर पोस्ट कर दिया था कि हेवी पुट राइटिंग हो रहा था, तो वो मैंने दिखा दिया था। सो फ्राइडे वाज लाइक, फ्राइडे कितना, फ्राइडे वाज 6th, सो दैट डे वी हैड 6th, लेट्स गो टू 6th, या 6 जून। उस दिन आरबीआई मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी था, तो ये था 10 बजे से शुरू होता है, तो इट्स ऑल स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 10 AM। 6 जून, द फर्स्ट पोस्ट ऑफ 6 जून, 9:51। आप देख सकते हो एकदम लाइट ग्रीन में भरा हुआ है, ठीक है। ये मैंने पोस्ट कर दिया था, उसके बाद आपको मालूम है कि मतलब इट जस्ट पम्प्ड अप, राइट, आई मीन ऑलमोस्ट सम कुछ देर बाद ही मतलब ये पंप हुआ। तो फ्राइडे को, हाँ मतलब मैंने लाइव एक्स पे पोस्ट कर दिया था, ठीक है। और फिर कल जैसे मतलब कल भी मतलब इधर मैंने पोस्ट किया था जो बैंक निफ्टी का था, आप जाके देख लो ये पोस्ट, इसका टाइम देख लो, चार्ट्स देख लो, और उसके बाद मूव देख लो आप, फिर निफ्टी का भी। तो आई आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट, ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब मुझे कुछ छुपाना है या मुझे कुछ नहीं दिखाना है, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। आई ट्राई टू लाइक गो 100% ट्रांसपेरेंट, कि जब कोई मतलब परचेस कर रहा है तो उसके पहले ही और शी इज वेरी श्योर दैट दिस वर्क्स, एंड आई नीड दिस इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द बिग इंस्टीट्यूशंस इन रियल टाइम। तो मुझे ये चाहिए बस, मतलब they can be 100% sure before going for it. So that's why I come live, and even on those days I cannot come live, I also show it by making videos, or I post on X as well. तो मतलब डेली आपको निफ्टी का तो मिल ही जाएगा, निफ्टी में कैसे परफॉर्म किया डेली, मतलब आई हैव पोस्टेड डेली। आप जाके मतलब लास्ट 3-4 मंथ्स का परफॉर्मेंस देख लो, मतलब डेली आई हैव पोस्टेड, इधर आपको यूट्यूब वीडियोस में मिल जाएगा या एक्स पोस्ट में मिल जाएगा, मतलब डेली फुल फुल परफॉर्मेंस। ऐसा नहीं कि कहीं हुआ तो उधर छुपा दिया, कहीं नहीं हुआ तो वो वैसा नहीं है, फुल परफॉर्मेंस आप लोगों के सामने है, आप जाके देख सकते हो। तो ऐसा, तो yes, I have my own setup. Just I added your indicator just for additional confirmation. I hold tight and grab good profit. Thanks, Brijesh ji. What's amazing is 500 plus viewers are glued and the number has not dropped. It is not easy to retain any audience for such a duration. Maybe they are spellbound. Yes, I mean, this is happening for the first time ever in the history of the stock market, that मतलब आप, ये इतना दिनों तक ये पूरा उल्टा था, मतलब अभी भी चल रहा है, जो कि बड़े इंस्टीट्यूट के बाद मतलब बड़े इंस्टीट्यूशन के पास देयर इज अ हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट रिटेलर्स का डेटा है, क्योंकि सपोज इफ देयर इज अ बिग ब्रोकर दे आल्सो ट्रेड, okay, so I won't take the name again, but you all know that they also trade, and they have all these retailers data, like they can track their SL, they have their positions, SL, everything, right? So they took, I mean, take position against us, and then we go into loss, and they have the power to bend the charts. So that is the point, like so far it was one way, that is the retailers were not having any access to what the big institutions are doing, but the other way around, they were having access to what we were doing. But now you can have access, like now you are having access to what they are doing, and after what they are doing you can take your decision कि हाँ charts bend हो रहा है, उन लोग they are doing whatever the big institutions are doing, market is also following, the charts is also following. So then you can take your decision, okay. But again, there is no buy, hold or sell recommendation, it's all up to you how you want to use this data. What is the membership fee, brother? So brother, like it's all uh, all on our website. So uh, wait. So if you come here, if you come here, then you'll see like also in the description, I think the website link is given. So if you go to the website here, so there you will, like, the website is mainly made for to make the payment, and as soon as you make the payment you are added right away, and all the plans consists of the uh, same thing, only that if you go with higher plans you save more, but you get the same thing if you go with all the plans. Like all the plans you get the same thing ultimately. Okay, so 6 months, 9 months and 12 months we have. And that's the thing, like those who are new here, uh, they think that आज by any luckily ये काम कर गया या कुछ, तो you just go and check out the past live streams. This Sensex live the last Thursday, then the last Sensex expiry, so even the other days as well while we were live, so आप जाके देख लो. और अभी जो ज्वाइन किए तो जब हम लोग लाइव थे तो दिस रिवर्सल केम इन राइट फ्रॉम द टॉप, वो भी आप जाके रिवाइंड करके देख सकते हो इफ यू हैव मिस्ड इट. और बाकी जो जितना सारा रिवर्सल था आई हैव डिस्कस लाइक टुडे राइट फ्रॉम द टॉप. एंड अगेन द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट आप एनएससी का ओआई आता है 9/18 को, ये देखिए आपको सिग्नल मिलता है मतलब 9/16 9/15. सो जब भी मतलब ये कोई बड़ा प्लेयर का पोजीशन डिटेक्ट कर पाएगा, सो वेन एवर इट कैन डिटेक्ट सम बिग इंस्टीट्यूशनल पोजीशंस in real time, so it will show you. And if it can do that even before 9/18, before the OI data comes from NSC, then also like it will show you. So that's why like you don't have to wait for OI at every 3 minutes interval. Even after 9/18, the next OI comes at 9:21. So a lot happens within 3 minutes. So that's where like this is, as you can see, this is all real time. तो ये एकदम real time पे बता रहा है, और ऐसा नहीं कि हड़बड़ बता रहा है. मतलब जहां इसको एक अच्छा खासा सिग्नल मिल रहा है विद अ हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी, व्हेन इट कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट दीज आर बिग इंस्टीट्यूशंस, दे आर टेकिंग दिस पोजीशन, देन ओनली इट्स शोइंग यू. और बाकी जो जितना सारा आज रिवर्सल था, वट एवर रिवर्सल इट हैपेंड इंस्टेंटली. ओनली दिस वन टुक टाइम बट इट फाइनली डिड इट. एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी 3 PM गाइज. 24,900p का प्राइस देखो गाइज, लाइक it's at 8 now. So तो अगर आप फिर भी लग रहा है कि मतलब ये बड़े इंस्टीट्यूशन, बड़े प्लेयर्स जो है, बड़े ऑपरेटर्स जो है वो बेवकूफ है, या हम लोग का HFT एल्गो स्कैनर कुछ गलत इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा था, तो आई होप इट गॉट क्लैरिफाइड दैट नो, इट वाज गिविंग द राइट थिंग. जस्ट वी हैव टू फॉलो द रूल्स. हम लोग रिटेलर्स हैं, हम लोग के पास उतना पैसा नहीं है कि हम लोग इसके इन लोग के जैसे इतना एवरेज कर सके. एंड वी सी इफ इवन मार्केट इज नॉट फॉलोइंग, दे कैन इवन बेंड द चार्ट्स. इन लोग कैश में जाके बाइंग करके चार्ट्स बेंड कर लेंगे, लेकिन हम लोग तो नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो वी हैव टू वेट फॉर द चार्ट्स टू बेंड. Guys, it's now 3 p.m. like it's almost at 5. Okay, it's almost at 5, and like when I said to look at it, it was at 70, and it's at now 5, the premium. अभी कहीं पे भी चला जाए कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ता है. हेलो। हेलो। ओके, आई एम लाइव। या देखो इधर पुट राइटिंग हुआ राइट एट 3 p.m. और फर्दर पुट इज डिकेइंग. So even for the scalpers also, I mean many people right after 3 p.m. So for them also like it's beneficial. So मतलब बड़े प्लेयर्स का अगर आप पोजीशन फॉलो करते हो तो उन लोग प्रॉफिट में ही रहते हैं, तो इट शुड बी बेनिफिशियल. Yes, Ravi ji, I told you what is the membership fee. Uh, so guys, again, if you, I mean, like the performance of the indicator, please don't forget to put a like at least. I mean, on an expiry day, अगर आपको मतलब बड़े प्लेयर्स बड़े लोगों का पोजीशन पता चल रहा है तो आई डोंट नो इससे बेटर क्या हो सकता है. और रियल टाइम में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है डिले या कुछ, और फंड फ्लो के साथ मतलब कितना फंड प्लेस कर रहे हैं. जैसे इधर इन लोग ने 180 CR का कॉल राइटिंग किया, तो ये फंड फ्लो भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो क्योंकि हम लोग को पता चलना चाहिए हु इज बिगर शार्क एंड हु इज स्मॉलर शार्क. तो so please don't forget to put a like at least, if you enjoyed the live stream, if you enjoyed the I mean tracking the big institutions in real time. मतलब the irony is like just check out guys. like जिन लोग ने मार्केट गिर रहा था 24,900 कॉल शॉर्ट किया था, अभी उन लोग का देखो हाल. मतलब कॉल अभी 8 रुपीज पे है 24,900 का, और 24,900 का पी अभी 4 पॉइंट समथिंग पे है. और ये देखो ये बढ़ रहा है फिर से 9 पे चला गया. तो मतलब आप समझ सकते हो इन लोग जिस तरफ थे उसका प्रीमियम कहाँ से कहाँ लेके आ गए, और जो प्रीमियम ऑलमोस्ट लाइक लेट्स से 20 to 10 रुपीज के अंदर था तो वो वहीं के रह गए. तो मतलब ये एकदम मतलब साफ साफ दिख रहा है कि मतलब बड़े इंस्टीट्यूशंस और या बड़े ऑपरेटर्स कैसे मतलब हाउ दे प्ले विद द रिटेलर्स. I mean, if this is something not fascinating, I mean, I don't know what will like. 11 पे चला गया कॉल का प्रीमियम. और ये 3 पे है पुट का प्रीमियम 900 का. तो मतलब इन लोग पर मतलब पुट राइट करके फिर वो जीरो पे एंड करा रहे हैं. मतलब isn't that like amazing? Like सेम थिंग हैपेंड ऑन सेंसेक्स. वो तो मतलब और भी मतलब डेंजरस था. वो एकदम 70 तक चला गया था 82,400, और उसके बाद उसको जीरो पे लेके चला गया इन लोग just within 5 to 10 minutes. That too like starting from 310 as far as I remember. Just go and check out the live also, you can see. अभी थोड़ा बहुत कॉल राइटिंग चल रहा है फिर भी मतलब ये जो आप देख रहे हो आके चला गया, तो दिस इज व्हाट इट्स थिंकिंग. फाइनली अगर इसको लग गया कि नहीं ये इसको प्रिंट नहीं करना चाहिए तो इट वोंट प्रिंट. ओके, बट आफ्टर इट हैज प्रिंटेड देयर वोंट बी एनी रीपेंट और एनीथिंग. तो आप मतलब लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग में जो देखे थे वही रहेगा, मतलब वही आफ्टर इट हैज प्रिंटेड इट, आई मीन दैट विल बी देयर. ओके, सो देयर इज नो रीपेंटिंग ऑल्सो और एनीथिंग. So here we saw some call writers were also there, big call writers. So might be that like both side will end almost near to zero. But the main point was that like 900 का पुट कहाँ था और कहाँ चला आया, और मतलब कॉल 900 का कॉल मतलब जो 10-20 पे था वो अभी मतलब वहीं पे है, मतलब इट्स ऑलमोस्ट एट 6 नाउ. अभी तो एक्सपायरी है तो नेक्स्ट वीक स्ट्राइक चेक्स प्लीज. ओके, नेक्स्ट वीक चेकिंग नेक्स्ट वीक. आई ऑलवेज से कि 17-19 आई ऑलवेज से नेक्स्ट वीक के लिए बेटर है कि मतलब हाँ नेक्स्ट वीक के लिए शॉर्ट बन रहा है इधर थोड़ा, तो नेक्स्ट वीक के लिए बेटर है कि कल क्या पोजीशन बन रहा है वो भी आप देख लो एक बार. तो ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वीक को नीचे रखते हैं. ये रहा आपका नेक्स्ट वीक और इसका चेंज कर देते हैं, 900 कर देते हैं. और आप लोग जो देख रहे हैं कि ये सारा मॉडल 1 से ही हम लोग कर रहे हैं. सो मॉडल 1 इज अवर प्राइमरी मॉडल, ठीक है. तो that is our main model and it works on any trading view account, like even the basic free account as well. Okay, और ये सारा मॉडल का नाम भी है, तो मॉडल 1, मॉडल 2, मॉडल 3, मॉडल 4 एंड मॉडल 5. सो all the rest of the other models were released like last week, so just to increase the accuracy, but they only work for on premium or higher plans on trading view. ठीक है, बट अगेन डोंट गो अंडर फोमो. मतलब अगर आपको एक्यूरेसी बहुत बढ़ाना है फिर यू कैन गो फॉर इट, अदरवाइज आप देख रहे हो कि वी आर मोस्टली फॉलोइंग द मॉडल 1 ओनली. ओके, सो दिस इज मॉडल 2. मॉडल 2 में भी 25,900 कर देते हैं. सॉरी 24,900 24,900 हाँ इधर मैंने गलती किया. तो ये रहा एकदम बॉटम पे, ये जो नेक्स्ट वीक का है 24,900 और ये करंट वीक का है. तो इधर कॉल राइटिंग हुआ फिर थोड़ा नीचे आया, तो ऑलमोस्ट दोनों जीरो पे ही है. तो again if you want access to the indicator, so if you're making the payment today, so you get access right away today, but your membership counts from tomorrow or the next trading session or the next trading day, and so you don't have to worry about like you can watch the charts and everything before going live tomorrow with the indicator. And yeah, so 20 more minutes is left and ज़्यादा कुछ होने वाला नहीं है आई थिंक. लाइक इधर आप देख सकते हैं, इधर थोड़ा पुट राइटिंग हुआ और उसके बाद ही ग्रीन कैंडल दे दिया. इधर कॉल राइटिंग हुआ, तो इन लोग बहुत छोटे शार्क्स है, तो इधर कॉल राइटिंग हुआ तो उसके बाद नीचे आया. क्वांटम में इधर कुछ कॉल बाइंग हुआ तो ये ऊपर ले जा. सी दिस क्वांटम आर वेरी 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 लाइक टफ टू कैच, लाइक एंड एज पर द रूल्स वी डोंट फॉलो द बाइंग. सो अगर आपको सही लग रहा है तो आप फॉलो कर सकते हो, लेकिन एज पर द रूल्स वी डोंट फॉलो द बाइंग. और ये नेक्स्ट वीक के लिए, और ये मॉडल 2 के रेस्पेक्ट में इधर कॉल राइटिंग हुआ। सो एनीवेज थोड़ा बहुत इधर कॉल राइटिंग पुट राइटिंग चल रहा है, बस यही पे ख़त्म कर देगा। बैंक निफ्टी 915, 980, 919 इधर थोड़ा पुट राइटिंग हुआ, उसके बाद वो ऊपर गया, फिर इधर जाके कॉल राइटिंग शुरू हुआ, फिर इधर जाके थोड़ा बहुत पुट राइटिंग, थोड़ा ऊपर गया, फिर कॉल राइटिंग, फिर नीचे, इधर मोस्टली कॉल राइटिंग, इधर थोड़ा सपोर्ट देने का कोशिश किया और थोड़ा ऊपर गया था, फिर इधर जाके फिर से कॉल राइटिंग हुआ और फिर से नीचे, इधर फिर से थोड़ा बहुत पुट राइटिंग लेकिन बहुत कम, फिर इधर एक अच्छा खासा पुट राइटिंग हुआ था, फिर ऊपर गया, इधर दोनों था, कॉल राइटर्स एंड पुट राइटर्स बोथ, फिर ये वाला कॉल राइटर्स पुट राइटर्स बोथ, एंड फिर इधर जाके आप कॉल राइटिंग, फिर पुट बाइंग और पुट कॉल राइटिंग, तो फिर पुट राइटिंग हुआ इधर, फिर इधर हुआ और फिर इधर हुआ, फिर ऊपर गया और फिर इधर जाके फिर से कॉल राइटिंग हुआ। सो द थिंग इज दैट लाइक it's working like with a high accuracy, it's working. All that you have to do is wait for the charts to bend, and that's it. Even in Sensex also you can see, like right here, call writers were present. Okay, so right at this region, call writers were present, and again it fell. Right at the bottom, put writers gave the total support, and it took, like it gave support for I mean there. C was at 9.5 with max OI at, and the price was this at 19 contracts. Yes, right. Anyways, like आप पुट राइटिंग करते हो तो जो भी करते हो, मतलब ट्रेल योर प्रॉफिट्स, ऐसे ऑलवेज से ट्रेल योर प्रॉफिट्स। इधर कॉल राइटिंग हुआ, उसके बाद कॉल का प्रीमियम भी गिर गया, क्योंकि ऑलवेज मार्केट इज अनएक्सपेक्टेड, तो कुछ भी हो सकता है। तो अगर प्रॉफिट में हो तो वो ट्रेल करते रहो, क्योंकि and as I told you, like find some algo platforms or find some brokers. Like I think someone said Fires has this trailing profits. I think when I used to trade on Upwork, they also used to have that trailing profit. So ऐसे आप ब्रोकर या कहीं ढूंढो कि जहाँ ट्रेलिंग प्रॉफिट्स हो सके, क्योंकि शायद आप कुछ टारगेट लगा के बैठे हो, लेकिन थोड़े के लिए टारगेट अचीव नहीं हुआ और फिर वो रिवर्स कर गया, तो इन दैट केस योर ट्रेलिंग प्रॉफिट्स कैन हेल्प यू अलॉट। Okay guys, so I think like इधर ही 900 प्लस माइनस 10 पे ही एंड हो जाएगा। तो anyways, again, like I hope you enjoyed the live stream, especially on Nifty expiry day. And again, you should note that like there are many people who are just waiting, as I said, like they are just waiting for one moment. Like अगर ये 10 में से 9 बार भी कम कर गया, so it works like out of 10 times, even if it works 9 times, if it just even temporarily also it doesn't work for that 10th time or that one time. They will come and say anything, but after it starts working, or it gives 10 out of 10 times it works or whatever, then you won't see any comment from them. So they just wait for you to make one mistake. You make 99 correct, analysis doesn't matter. One wrong, they will, I mean, make fun out of you. So please be careful, because it's hurting many people's business, because such a thing so far no one has been able to build, and everyone like cries after the market hours, saying that Jane Street manipulation or big operators manipulation. So uh, on the other hand, I say that why are you crying? So while you can follow their positions in real time, so there is no need to cry. We have to just ride with them, and that's it. When you hear the statement for the first time that an indicator can catch reversals from almost top or almost bottom, so obviously it looks like a fraudulent statement or a false statement, or someone is claiming something, someone is doing something scam or something. So but results are right in front of you, and after that you have to decide whether you want such data on your charts or not. It's all up to you. So anyways, so many people are watching, like why so less number of likes? I don't know. I think many people are new, that's why. So anyways, like if you enjoyed this reversal, and if you enjoyed, like I said, the wait for the charts to bend, and like it went, and also to look for 24900p. So finally, like 24900p is ending at almost 11 to 10. So anyways, it went to even 3 to 4 rupees as well. So from 70. And even right before that, like we got the sell signal even here as well, the light red. Okay, so just even before this small fall also, like we got the signal of the light red here. Again, if you have any queries or questions, please do ask. Even let's say like the heavyweights like Reliance. So even if you follow, sometimes we also combine Reliance with Nifty as well. So even if you combine Reliance with if you even if you follow Reliance on the HFT Algo Scanner, so then you see like right in the morning, like today, this is today, right in the morning, 9:15 call writing, we don't follow the deep green, which is called buying. Call writing again right at the top here, and it started falling. Okay, right here some put writers came in, but like don't go for the total length. Only look at the put writing length. That is small. So small put writers came in, they like somehow took it up, and then again the shorts right at the top, again call writing fell. Okay, again here if you notice here call writers were mostly active, again it fell. Here a big call writing happened, and then after that further call writing happened and it fell. Okay, and again look at here, that is here some put writers came in, they tried to give support. Okay, and again here mostly like call writers were there right at the top here. After that, like after the put writers, the call writers were there, and again we don't follow the deep green. Again here call writers were there, like while this was falling, the market was falling, the call writers and the put buyers were there. So we don't follow the put buyers, but the call writers were there. And again coming down to the bottom, heavy put writing happened, a good amount of put writing happened, and it reversed from there. Okay, so that's how like they might be buying in like Reliance or in heavy weights to take the market up. So be very careful, and whenever these big institutions take positions, so be very careful. And talking about like even in the next week also there is no significant. Okay, yes, so talking about the other heavyweights, like you have HDFC. So even if you go with HDFC, so I think I have opened HDFC somewhere. So here, so even if you go with HDFC plus Reliance, that is a very high probability setup with respect like in getting Nifty's move as well. So even if you see here HDFC Bank, so this was yesterday, and this you see right at the top, like big call riders came in and you saw the fall. Okay, so like beautifully, like you saw the fall. So again, let's remove the smart trend for now. So like beautifully, like the big operators, they shorted HDFC Bank, and before the fall, it all gives you the signal before the fall. Okay, it's not like after the fall has started I'm giving you signals that yes, the fall has started or something. So this is like an actual catching reversal. Before something happens, you are telling the future, right? So now next, wherever this big activity happened, like here some put writing happened, don't go for the call buying, go for the put. Again here call writing happened, this bar is full call writing, so it was a good amount of call writing. Here also good amount of call writing happened. Let's see what happened afterwards. But the big, like you can see according to the fund flow, you can very well see that though this is falling, like market is going to end at like 24,888. Okay, so this is nothing like, so my Nifty is going to end at 24,888. And yeah, so talking about here, that is these were the big operators, as you can see, like looking at their fund. And here again some put writers came in trying to gave support, like again call writers came in, took it down. Again put writers came in and took it up. Here again call writers were there here as well, like, so it's following with very high probability, like it's a very high probability setup, because actually you're following the big institutions and the big operators. And so far, like you must have complained, like if you are a trader, at least there was a day you have complained that, or uh, you have cursed those big operators because they suddenly took market against against your trade or against your direction. So if you're a trader, you must have like done something like that, or use some bad words again, I mean, referring to those operators. So yes, but the thing is that why did you do that? Because they have the power to turn the charts, they have the powers to do everything. So now you have the power to follow them. So the game is moving the other way around. So now it would be an interesting game. So guys, market is going to end, and oh, it has end. It ends. And again, if you enjoyed the live stream, please do put a like. Likes are anonymous and they cost you nothing, and it helps us to grow and to do some better work for you all, for all the retailers, something that you don't get elsewhere. And again, if you want access to the indicator, you can simply go to the website and like you can go for whichever plan suits you best, and you get access right away. And but your membership count starts from tomorrow, so you don't have to worry about today. And yes, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, and thanks for coming live, and